Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful, fully loaded, mint condition 2019 Grand Design Momentum 351 M-Class luxury toy hauler fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 38 feet 9 inches. Exterior height to the triple AC units is 13 feet 5 inches, and the unloaded vehicle weight, the UVW or the dry weight, when it came off the assembly line, is 14,208 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. The owner, he is the original owner. He bought it just under a year ago, and the only reason why he's selling it is because he wants to upgrade to a diesel pusher motorhome. All right, give you an idea of the floor plan there. Go ahead and start in the living room area. This is going to be the first slide out. It is a triple slide coach. This slide out is going to be one of the tallest you're going to find. It's over 7.5 foot tall. It is a super slide. It's going to be right around 12 foot long. Accommodates the Thomas Paine large ultra leather sofa. It's got 4 recliners. Really neat. There's your Thomas Paine badge there. The ultra leather is dark brown in color, and this coach is showroom condition. You do have the roller blinds, like the MCD style blinds. These are the blackouts. These are the ones you want. Nice LED light in the slide out. The whole coach is all LED lit. Nice little loft area, kind of point that out here. This coach sleeps 8 people comfortably. Entertainment center area, I believe it's going to be a 49-inch flat screen with the LED light accent. This coach is equipped with all the LED light accenting features, and I'll show that to you when we do the walk around. Fireplace is going to be a 5,000 BTU heating source. Panning around in the kitchen, going to be an island kitchen floor plan. Second slide out here is going to accommodate the 18 cubic foot side-by-side 4-door Nord-Cold refrigerator. It's gas and electric. And you do have the Furrion, beautiful Furrion stove top oven feature, which is beautiful with LED light accent. 3 burner cooktop with glass lid. The front burner is usually a high output. Beautiful oven. This is definitely a lot nicer than your traditional fifth wheel camper ovens. Convection oven. Everything is all stainless steel finish. And you do have like a marble, solid surface marble finish on your countertops throughout. Nice deep farmer sink, sprayer faucet. You do have 110 outlets on each side of the island, and over on this side you also have a USB charging port for smart devices. There are 2 stools. The owner does not know where the wife put them. They're somewhere around here, but I'll try to show them if I see them. This is going to be a leaf. It folds down out of the way. Nice little hutch area here. Again, your LED light accent up there, which is nice. Not sure what they're calling the wood. It's definitely like a dark cherry, and with a brushed nickel finish on all your hardware. And again, your marble finish. And it's a marble look backsplash. Alright, this is going to be your Jensen stereo, home theater, exterior speakers. It's got outside TV. This has everything you could possibly imagine. Bluetooth, smart device ready, all the good stuff. And then exterior speakers, interior speakers, so you can adjust everything. This coach is equipped with the One Control monitoring system and control panel. And that's this right here. Light that up for you just to give you, there you go. I'll get into that in a second. You can control everything from your smart device, your slide outs, your awnings, your lights, everything, your AC, everything. This is the way to go. Awesome. All right, what I'm going to do is start in the garage before I go up into the bedroom. So let's show off that 11-foot 6-inch garage. This whole coach is all ducted AC, ducted heat. Back here you've got a 15,000 BTU AC unit, and it's tied in with the second 15,000 BTU AC unit in the living room, and then you have a 13.5 in the bedroom, and they're all ducted into each other. And you do have a power loft king bed. You could easily sleep 3 kiddos up there, but and this is all power lift, by the way. This is going to be your booth, and obviously the couches come together, make into another huge king bed, and it is the ultra leather finish, dark brown in color. And of course the table folds away, and you open this up, and you have tie downs. The tie downs are rated at 2,500 pounds. And this is the oil and gas resistant finish flooring. It's the tough ply floor. Definitely the way to go. And then you have diamond plating going up about a foot up the wall to protect your sidewalls. And you also have washer and dryer prep. This coach is 50 amp service. You do have the full awning package. I'll show that when we get outside. Back up here, you do have 4 TVs in this coach. There's your ducted AC all throughout. This is a bath and a half floor plan, by the way. Half bath for the kiddos, or you can even turn this into the mother-in-law room. You do have the ram vents. Open these up when you're transporting and get all the gas smells out. Kind of scoot down this sofa, show off the patio area. This is the quick set ramp door patio system. Does have a ladder, or I'm sorry, stair system that you can put on the back there. You know, kind of back up here, kind of show off the door. When you take away the French door set up here, the door is 7 feet 10 inches in height, and the garage, as I said, is right at 11 feet 6 inches, all the way to the washer and dryer hookups. And this garage area is 4 seasons insulation. The coach inside the living quarters is actually it's got the full WeatherTech insulation system in it, and you can definitely go into cold seasons and not worry about your holding tanks or gate valves freezing up. Oh, show off that. It's kind of a stone look floor. You do have central vac. Show that off here. You just take your foot. Pretty cool. Master bath, 1 piece fiberglass shower. You sit down and shave your legs, do whatever. Huge skylight. Fantastic vent fan in the bathroom, and you also have one in the kitchen. Forgot to point that out. Foot flush china porcelain toilet. Going into the master bedroom. Queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. It is an ultra plush mattress. You have lots of storage up underneath. Nice reader lights all throughout. You've got little switches up underneath there to turn off your reader lights when you're done at night. You do have 110 outlets on each side, and you have a USB charging ports on each side of the bed, which is definitely nice. It's going to be your third slide out. It's going to be a closet. Give you an idea of the depth. It's definitely 2 foot deep. Definitely nice. And here's your third TV. Okay, y'all get the idea. Show off that ceiling. There's going to be your other fantastic vent fan up there. Oh, forgot to show the pantry. Most important part in the kitchen. Nice huge pantry. Alright. Let's turn off this generator. I don't want to be yelling when I'm outside. Generator, boom. And stop. There we go. The one control command center system is awesome. It hooks up to your smartphone. You can operate everything away from the camper, which is something they should have done a long time ago. All right. On the outside, it's again immaculate. There's nothing wrong with this coach. Beautiful molded front, fiberglass cap with the awesome LED light accent. Nice momentum badge there. Generator, 5500 Onan generator, gasoline powered. Solar prep right here. This is the light switch for your accent lighting on the LED fronts. 6-point auto level, and you can also operate the auto leveling system from your smart device when you're away from the campground. Fully enclosed heated underbelly. Oh, it does have a wrapped skirt going down the side. Looks like a carbon fiber look. Dual 30-pound LP tanks, one on each side. Slam latch baggage doors. This is your garage area. There's your aluminum framing all throughout. Your floor, your sidewalls. Your slide outs are all fully aluminum framed. There's your battery disconnect, saves you on your battery. Water hookup right there for your water sprayer. And let's show this off. This is that WeatherTech Arctic insulation, so you're 0 degree ready. Rockford Falls gate stereo system. I'm in a tight spot, you guys, but anyway, this is going to be the ladder system you want. It's step above ladder system. This thing folds away inside the camper. Heavy duty, all aluminum. Exterior entertainment system and setup. I'm not sure what size they're calling that TV. Maybe a 28-inch. Slam latch baggage doors. These have the magnets, which are really cool. Something they should have done a long time ago. 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. You do have the Equiflex suspension system, which is like almost rides like an independent suspension. Again, aluminum steps. They don't bind up and rust. This is the garage area going into there, so it's a double door entry. And you do have, as I said, it's fully loaded. You do have the full awning package. I believe it's going to be an 18-foot main awning there. And this is going to be about a 10-foot awning here. And then the third awning in the rear. And they're all power awnings. Usually you'll find the rear might be a manual. But anyway. Quick set ramp patio door system, pretty cool. Ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof to service your dual ACs. This does have the fueling station. You do have dual 30-gallon fuel cells on this. One for the generator, one for your toys. And a little pump there. Some of your gate valves are all up there and then protected from the elements. Nitro filled tires, again 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. They're 7,000-pound axles. There's another one of your gate valves. Your freshwater tank on this, I believe, is 178 gallons, and your gray and black, I believe, are 78 gallon. Have to double check on it. You do have black tank sewer flush here. Yeah, rinses out your toilet tank. Back up here, give you an idea of that color scheme, since I couldn't show it on the front side because I'm up to that fence. You do have max air vent covers up top there, so you can have your vents open and not worry about water getting in. All the decals are 100% showroom condition, and I do believe this is the new scheme, decal schemes. I don't think they had this scheme in 2018. 50 amp service, marine style cord, and you do have a little light here. Shows that you do have power coming in case you're questioning what's going on with electrical. 12-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Your furnace is a 35,000 BTU furnace, so you have a combined heating source BTU of 40,000 BTUs. That is including your fireplace, which is 5,000. Here's your hookups, water filtration system, whole house water filtration. Your gate valves are all right there. Pretty easy to figure out all your hookups. Hot and cold running water, outside shower, and you do have a water pump up there. This is your 6-point auto level, which is also tied into the One Control monitor panel, which you can operate from a smart device. when you're away. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. 30-pound LP tank. This is the second one. There's your generator exhaust right there. Nice chrome tip. Momentum does a great job on all their toy haulers. Really looks sharp. Let me show you here. This is the unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the assembly line, 14,208 pounds. And it was made January of 2019. Beautiful coach. Does have the more ride hitch, and I believe that was an option. This is fully loaded. It has every single feature you could possibly imagine having on it. You almost forgot, you do have slide awnings or slide toppers over your slide outs. Beautiful coach. I know I didn't get everything. It's got a ton of stuff, but anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. You won't be disappointed. It's a beautiful camper. But if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.